Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let's see what's coming up, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and love energy, Virgos. These are for your daily energy, Virgos. For your career situation and love reading, we'll be picking cards from the other deck. So one card for your career situation and one card for your relationship, guys. So this is for your career situation. I will leave it here, guys. We will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading. And one more card for your relationship, Virgos. This is the card. I will leave it here. That is for your relationship. And one card from the oracle guidance. So we pick a guidance card every day, guys. That is our general guidance, what we can do in our life, in our career situation and personal life to make things go in a very harmonious way. So this is the card for you all. We will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, Virgos. So first, for your daily energies, it's King of Wands in reverse, the Temperance, and the Hangman. So with these cards in your situation today, you are seeing or you are moving towards some important changes in your life, some transitions in your life today. And though you are facing many stressful situations, you are able to find that balance between that stressful situations and control your emotions, maintain that harmony in your circumstance, guys. And you are leaving out certain things that you may feel emotionally stressed. Some things are not changing and you are ready to let that go. It may be your attachment on certain objects or people or certain situation. You are trying to control certain things, but things are not coming according to your wishes, and you are stressed because you are unable to do anything, but you are accepting that fact that you are unable to change anything today. So you are giving up that hold you may have on that situation or person. And I also see the subtle change in the way you are thinking about that. It may again relate to this this feeling of defeat you have in certain situation and your acceptance because of that. And whatever that situation is, you are trying to have that peace of mind and harmony in yourself, trying to be harmonious and balanced in your situation. That is also what I see here, guys. And you are a very strong and determined person. You have a strong will. You know what you need to do in any situation. But still, there are certain circumstances that are going against you, and you are still following the rules and ideals, whatever you have for yourself, certain beliefs, whatever you have for yourself. You are a very severe and rigid person who follows rules strictly, and sometimes it may be too severe, guys, the way you stick to your point or stick to the way you think about a particular situation. So that is also what I see here. Maybe you are not too flexible, but on certain things you are giving up your hold. That is what I see here. And maybe there are people coming to communicate with you, give you suggestions on certain things, but you are not ready to accept their counsel or suggestions. That is what I see with these cards, guys, Virgos, for your daily reading. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. Queen of Fire. This is for your career situation, Virgos. So in your situation today, you have that skills, and you have that creativity and ability in your situation. You know what you need to do, and you have that dedication towards your goals and achievements. Whatever plans you have for yourself, you have that strong will to reach those goals, and you are able to work with people in your work situation, able to work as a perfect team. You have that team spirit, and you have that inspiration and confidence to express the truthful intentions you have in your work. So, and also I see here that you may be in a creative field, Virgos. Some of you may be a painter, artist, dancer or singer, someone in the creative field. That is what I see with this card for your career situation, guys. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Transformation. So with this card in your personal life situation, this may mean in your relationship some changes that are coming, something inevitable that is coming your way today, guys. Maybe with this person or in this connection, maybe something is changing in you forever. Maybe this person moving away from you, or they are simply leaving you, or this attachment you have on one person, you may begin to see that growing in someone else. So something of that sort, some kind of transitions that you are seeing today that you cannot avoid or change, though you may try whatever is there. With the previous cards we were seeing that energy, guys. Something are not in your control, something is simply happening, you are doing everything, but it is quite impossible for you to change that. Maybe that may be the energy with this card. So you are letting go of all that old views or ideas, or it may be a person. So something is ending and you may see a new beginning in your relationship. It may be in the form of a new person, or it may be a person moving away from you and you may be waiting for a new person to come in, or for some of you there may already be a new person in this connection with you. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, Virgos. Let us see what is the card for your oracle guidance. Happy. So this card stands for happiness. Whatever our situation is, we need to be happy, and happiness comes from within and not without. So we have happiness within us, and it is not based on the things that are outside. So when we feel that happiness in any situation, we will attract more happiness and joy in this connection, guys. So that is what this card is about. In our relationship, it just means that when we have that happiness and love for that person, and when we openly share it with another person, we will enjoy that joy and contentment in that relationship, and happiness attracts more happiness and prosperity in our life. So this card just means that this is a time for fulfillment and happiness. And sometimes if our achievements are not reached in our career, or things are not going as we have planned, we have to be simply happy for how things are going today. Celebrate today as it is. Have that laughter and fun in our life. Take things easily and go with a smile for anything and everything. So when we are simply happy, just to be happy without that real reason, we will attract more happiness, and we will see prosperity coming towards us, guys. So that is what this card is about, and that is the reading for you all today, Virgos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.